come out of quarantine smelling like a fucking flower. Hi guys, it's Pepper and Platinum here. It's kind of a crazy time in the world right now and we're all indoors a lot. Some of us don't have pets or a loved one or
someone we can just be around.
My best friend had this awesome idea where she sends me packages from Amazon, kind of COVID care package, if you will, and I'm really excited because I'm going to open them for you guys. So hopefully it's something really cool and something really useful during this time while we're all stuck inside and flattening the curve. So let's get to opening some packages. So she sent me 5 things. I am wondering what's in here. Honestly, I kind of hope it's like face masks or something, or some lotion, or maybe like a cute like shirt or something cozy. I've spent a lot of time in like sweatpants and stuff, which my outfit's kind of a lie right now because I've been in mostly my basic stuff.
Long sleeve basic shirts, camis, etc, etc.
So we're gonna open these little bad boys up. Package number 1. That worked very well. Ooh, color vibrancy treatment for your hair. So 1 minute hair mask. My hair is living right now. Kudos to my boyfriend for doing the buzz. He nailed it. So I love hair masks and I need them all the time because I am artificially blonde. I bleach my hair probably once every 2 months, so quite often. So this will be really helpful. I love that. Package number 2. Hand cream. Pomegranate and acai. I'm gonna smell this bad boy because I like the smell of pomegranate and acai. Let's give it a test. Ooh, that smells really good. Ooh, you would probably like that, babes. You wanna smell it? My hands are super soft. I smell really good right now. Package number 3. This feels like something that is soft. I could just rip this, but it takes the theater out of it as I poke holes in the whole thing. This looks like a kimono. Okay, it's exactly a kimono. Oh my gosh. It's a floral kimono. It looks like it has a tie on it. And it's made out of like a silky material. It's got peacocks on it. How fun is that? Look at that. That is too cute. So I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna do it over the shirt because these are really big sleeves like a kimono is supposed to have. It's soft. I like it. It's pretty cute. It's gonna be my new go-to outfit for when I'm feeling lazy but want to feel really chic at the same time. Package number 4. What is it? Oh my god, it's a street fashion coloring book. That could not be more made for me if they tried. This is great. Fashion notes, and it has all the street fashion girls in it. That's too freaking cute. Yes, girl, sweater around her neck moment. Adult coloring book. I love that it's adult coloring book, even though it could be for kids. Something in here is adult. So that's really cool. I'm gonna have fun with that because I love fashion and coloring fashion, so that's gonna take up a lot of my time. Package number 5. This is quite heavy. It feels like a candle or something. So I'm gonna try and be careful with shaking it. Body wash, Tsubaki Blossom body wash. I'm gonna smell so freaking good after this. I'm gonna come out of quarantine smelling like a fucking flower. I'm gonna try and open this. Ooh, it's pretty too, it's purple. Yes. Yeah, that's good shit. We have a lip smacker. It is Lippy Pals. It's a little kitty lip smacker. Too cute. Best friends, best flavors. This is water meowlin, not watermelon. Water meowlin. Cute! So cute. And she got me some colored pencils, 24 colored pencils. This is great. Now I have colored pencils for my Street Chic Fashion coloring book. That's good. I have 2 more boxes of things that I actually ordered myself. Treat yourself, that's right, treat yourself. They're from Prettylittlething, and I've never bought anything from that website, but they're some crazy shoes that I had to try because there's nothing better than putting on clothing and making yourself feel really amazing during quarantine. So we're gonna try on some cool shoes. Prettylittlething box number 1. When I went on the website, I was looking for things that were completely outlandish and something that I normally wouldn't wear or that I don't have a place to wear them to. So I thought, well, we'll just wear them around the house and then I'll look really stupid and silly and my boyfriend will be like, what the hell are you wearing? But he doesn't have any surprises anymore because I wear a lot of crazy shit. I'm excited for these. This one is quite the shoe. Leather over the knee, which I don't wear because I have skinny little legs that don't fit anything. These are pleather. Oh, my box fell. If these don't scream sexy and confidence, then I don't know what does. They don't feel really cheap, which I like, and they have some stretch, which is great. I picked the perfect time of the year to buy these because it is now 70 degrees out every day. My sexy legs, so beautiful and pale. Probably help if I took the stuffing out first. Ooh, these are fun. I'm so glad I chose to wear pants during this.
That goes up so high. I don't even think you need to wear pants.
No, you don't.
Those are pants.
These are pants. I was about to get a pair where they're just pants.
Fine.
They're pants and shoes. They actually have those. These are surprisingly comfortable, but that's also me trying them on for literally a minute. They're pretty hot, I'm not gonna lie. Now, I know a lot of people cannot walk in heels.
I am not one of those people.
I find heels really easy to walk in. I look like a fucking fisherman right now. Oh, not uncomfortable to say the least. I'm pretty surprised. On to the next. These I'm really excited for. Those I was pretty excited for, but these I'm really excited for because they are 70s disco Forrest Gump Jenny vibes when she's like in the club. These will be probably festival shoes. When I go to an actual festival, I'll be wearing these. I probably won't be that comfortable, but I'm gonna do it anyways.
Because fashion.
Look at that, that is scream 70s. Roller skating, club going vibes. These are exactly what I thought they would be. They feel really nice. And they packaged them really nice and they put them in little baggies. I appreciate that a lot because it keeps the shoes from scratching each other and getting destroyed in packaging, so that's awesome. I feel like I should give these shoes a name. They need a name. You should comment and tell me what name I should give these. These are insane. I feel like a Spice Girl right now. Those are fun. Nobody needs that amount of heel, except for me because it's over the top and I have to have over the top things. And those are definitely a contender for keeping for festival season because I need something to wear when I go to a festival. That was all the packages. I have lots of body stuff. I am super stoked about this because I love stuff that smells really good and it's good to just pamper yourself, you know, especially now with like all of us being indoors and getting really bored. Go through your closet like I did. I'm really happy with everything that I got. The shoes were a big surprise. I didn't expect them to be that great. I didn't think that I would love them as much as I do, but I do love them. And all the stuff that Melissa got me in the care package is so thoughtful and so cool. I am beyond stoked to color in this. Anyone can tell you if they saw this in a grocery store, they would immediately think of me because I'm obsessed with fashion. If you guys need an idea of how to just kind of make yourself feel better about what's going on, I would highly suggest doing this because it's really cool. Like, this is a really nice way for me to have my best friend around without her actually being here. So go on Amazon and buy your best friend like a package and just send it to them. It's like a little way of saying, I'm here for you, I care about you, and I'm thinking about you, even though we're all separated right now. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. Thank you for watching this. I hope you had a really good time watching me open a bunch of random packages that I didn't know what was in them. Take care of yourself, take care of each other, and make sure to like and subscribe this video. It's very much appreciated. So I'm Pepper and Platinum, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.